Okay, now you can help me find Philippine lady for love and marriage. One Caribbean, that one that Caribbean, 35 to 40 years old and 57. Who's that? Deleted. Why you delete? I read this message. Why illness? Thank you for watching. Go to any dating apps to find a woman. Yeah, that's true. How about Joey? Hey Joey, go to the Philippines to meet Naomi. Hi dear, how are you? I am fine. Oh, this is all for tonight because I'm so sleepy. I can't open my eyes because in the morning I'm so busy preparing food for Mac's birthday on for his the kids visitors because we have a children's party in our neighborhood here. We invite for dinner. Sweet dreams namin. Thank you, Joey. Some other time I go for Bigo Live. We can talk there. Please follow my Bigo Live. My ID is Pinky1982. You can open it. But when it's sad to say that when I go live there, then they're busy in working. Hi, hello, shout out everyone, and good night for us tonight, and see you on my next live because my eyes. Yeah, that's one. Pink. No, Pinky. Oh, I will review it. What's it? Pinky? That sounds like Pinky or Pink 1982. You try to search that the two. Pinky 92 or Pink 1982. Pinky 1982. No. Pinky. Pinky Y 1982. If you can't see my name, you delete the Y. I'm not sure if Pinky or Pink 19. I still remember Pinky 1982. Pinky with Y. Yep, maybe that one. If you can't find me there, delete the Y. Only Pink 1982. But I'm sure it's Pinky 1982. Okay. Thank you for watching and good night everyone. Shalala. No. How about the Carlo from California? Shout out Carlo. Please please subscribe and also watch my upload video. I invite you guys to join my channel and also to buy stickers here. It's open to support me. You found it? Okay, thank you. I will go live if I have time, but I can't go live here because my net is so slow. I can't go up or live for the video. Just only for YouTube here and the other. So, love, love is life. Yep. That's my family. Love is life. Welcome mabuhay. You can support me. There's stars. You can RC and send beans, gifts there. Hi there. Hello. And thank you, Joey. Thank you. Where's Daron? Daron, I didn't see Daron. Daron is very angry with you, Joey. Good night. And thank you for your buy sticker. And how about the other? Shalalala. It's to this outfit is my net.